Door opener using ESP32 and push button. This project is a simple smart door control system that uses an ESP32 microcontroller, a push button, a servo motor, and an LCD I2C display to open and close a small door. When the button is pressed, the servo motor rotates to unlock or open the door, and the LCD updates to show door open. When the button is pressed again, the servo motor rotates to close the door, and the LCD updates to show door closed. Connecting the system components. Wooden house prototype represents a real-life house model with a door that opens and closes. The servo motor is mounted inside the house, controlling the door movement. The LCD screen is attached to the exterior for status display. ESP32 board acts as the main controller of the project. It reads the state of the push button, sends control signals to the servo motor, and updates messages on the LCD display. The servo motor controls the physical opening and closing of the door. It rotates to an angle 20 degrees to open the door and back to 90 degrees to close it. Connect the yellow wire from the servo motor to pin GPIO23 of the ESP32 board. Connect the red wire from the servo motor to the 5-volt pin on the ESP32. Connect the brown wire from the servo motor to the GND pin of the ESP32. LCD I2C screen displays real-time status messages such as door is open or door is closed. Connect GND pin of LCD I2C display to GND pin of ESP32. Connect VCC pin of LCD I2C display to 5-volt pin of ESP32. Connect SDA pin of LCD I2C display to GPIO21 pin of ESP32. Connect SCL pin of LCD I2C display to GPIO22 pin of ESP32. The push button is a manual input device to trigger the opening of the door. When the user presses the button, it sends a signal to the ESP32 to start the door opening or door closing process. The 10K resistor ensures stable and accurate button readings. The 10K resistor connected between the pin of the button and GND pin of ESP32. Connect the same leg of push button to GPIO pin 19 of the ESP32. Connect another leg of the push button to the 3.3 volt pin of the ESP32. For more details you can visit www.robotiq.site/robotic-guide. And thank you for your attention.